Hi everyone, it's Piyush here to talk about enterprise asset maintenance. Starting with Tokyo, we introduce enterprise asset management to help companies oversee and manage the full life cycle of their organization's physical business assets. Building on that same foundation, we enhance the solution in the Utah release so Enterprise Asset Manager can proactively plan for asset maintenance directly from this workspace. Let's dive into how we enable enterprise asset managers like Joe to perform the work on these assets. As an enterprise asset manager, Joe has access to all the work that has been going on in his state. He can view the number of parts required to work on the orders and ensure his team is planning ahead for their work and ordering the needed parts. He can also see all his active maintenance plans, work orders that have been open for over 30 days, and work orders that have yet to be assigned. Joe has access to work activity through a variety of filters, a valuable and powerful overview of all the work taking place in his assets estate. Joe has been proactively managing and scheduling routine maintenance for his enterprise assets. We have these maintenance plans that Joe has already created, but he just learned from the manufacturer that annual maintenance needs to be added to a specific appliance. To do that, he starts viewing the list of existing maintenance plans and opens the appliance maintenance plan. Under maintenance schedules, there is already a monthly maintenance taking place. A maintenance plan can be associated with one or more schedules. From here, he can easily create a new schedule based on user-defined rules. In this specific scenario, he's scheduling an annual inspection based on the duration that will take place on the 15th of every January. The scheduling also allows for selecting other triggers, such as by meter, conditional, or script. For every maintenance plan and schedule that is created here, the application automatically creates a corresponding work order. The work order then gets assigned to the maintenance technician. After the technicians perform work, they may return assets or parts to the central warehouse that are reusable or need repairs. Joe can use Enterprise Asset Management Workspace to swap or deploy assets or parts to keep information accurate. Enterprise Asset Maintenance Management and Asset Work Management enables asset managers like Joe to track, manage, automate, and extend the life of physical business assets.